I think it's a very timely initiative by IBES's team to come up with such innovative means to provide supplementary materials, learning materials for our youth. And I personally feel like our youth will be truly excited to explore and go through this platform to supplement the learnings that they are having in the school and also in their higher education platform. So what really excites me about this particular platform is it's a content curated, need-based for Bhutanese market, and in a way it also covers tangible and intangible culture. And from perspective of the language, I think being bilingual, this platform is really going to help our kids in learning Zonka. Because if you look at the global scenario, you can see a lot of content created by international markets, digital platform, covered in English based on their context. But to have something in our own context, localized, is very important. And also covering both from the end of Zonka and English is really important. So I think it's a very exciting platform, and it will really supplement the learning and skill development for our youth.